Hi everyone, how are you today? I am so excited to be here with you. As you know, Day in the Life 2023 is just about over 1 week away, and I decided that I really do want to finish my Day in the Life, the second documenting day from 2022, before I move into 2023 Day in the Life this year. Now, I did do the one earlier in the year. I know that most people, I'm just moving my photos. I know that most people who participate in this project would most likely do the first one, and I feel like somehow at the end of the year, because it's busy, that is harder to document the last one. I did do the first one on March 10th, and I really enjoyed it. We got some really cute photos in, some nice stamping in, and I got a bit crafty with it. Not too crafty, just a little crafty. I really enjoyed using the 4x6. I used quite a bit of sequins, so I put sequins on an acetate and so it stays in place. I really enjoy that technique. And then I did, just a little flippy flip. Nothing too major, but just to keep me excited. And I also color coded each card with the sequins and the stamps to get the ing words in. So loving. And so I am doing this quick flip through. I'm quite sure I have a longer-ish flip through on my channel already, but for me it's just a refresher so that I remember what the first part of my album was like, and before I dive into the documenting day 2, because there may be some things that I may want to carry across into the second documenting day. Now, the second documenting day was quite busy for me. It was actually one of my first days back into the office after being on maternity leave. As you could see, my son here was probably about 4 to 5 months old for documenting day, and so it's actually quite fun to see the difference between him here and then him in 6 months later for day in life. He was actually walking in the second one, so I was like crazy for me to look at the pictures today and see how tiny he was here, and then notice how much he'd grown within those little 6 months. So this is, I think I just had a couple extra pictures and I just tucked it in here. So that's the end of documenting day 1, and now I'm going to start documenting day 2. So I am just probably going to put some music on and I will take you through the process. So I do hope that you have enjoyed seeing the process. I just decided in the end to add a couple more bits and pieces to embellish these the back of this page. These were some of the I guess chipboardish type dividers that came with the album bundle last year. And I am really loving, as you can see, this stripe washi tape here from Heidi Swap. I'm just keeping the embellishment as minimal as possible. I am also trying to use up my stash of day in the life stars and moons that we got a couple years ago. So I have been enjoying using those throughout this album. I am going to just look at this chipboard piece that I really love, and I really wanted to use it somewhere. I wasn't sure exactly where, so I'm just flipping through this album again one last time. I hope that you've really enjoyed watching my process, and I hope that you've enjoyed the music as well. As you could probably tell, I'm a bit nasal with allergies today. It's autumn, the temperatures have dropped, and we also have some roadworks happening at the moment. So thank you so much for being here with me. I hope you like this video. Please feel free to comment below with any questions that you have, and please subscribe to my channel for more crafty content. Thank you so much for being here. Do enjoy the rest of the day, and enjoy this, the last page of my day in the life album, because I had to use this chipboard tag in my spread. Have a good day. Bye.